Langkawi, the island of UNESCO geoforest parks, where life flows with the rhythm of the waves. Peaceful yet full of energy, offering a mix of luxury and relaxed charm. With sun-kissed beaches and crystal clear waters, it's the perfect getaway for every kind of traveler. Langkawi captures the essence of joy and wonder for every traveler, young and old. Whether it's soaring high on the SkyCab, stepping onto the world's longest cantilever glass platform at Eagle Nest Skywalk, crossing the world's longest free-span curved bridge, or discovering marine life beneath the waves, every experience is one to remember. Langkawi is more than its stunning views. It's a land full of ancient stories and mystical legends. As you explore, you'll sense the history and tales that shape this island's character. Every moment here feels magical, and every sight is unforgettable.